Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I blow my hair out using my blow dryer. I haven't experienced any heat damage with this, but do it at your own risk. So I wash my hair and then I split it into 4 sections, and I'm just going to start off by starting with the back section, detangling with my Denman brush. Next, I'm going to apply some coconut oil to that section. I don't use heat protectant because I just don't. I do use the highest setting whenever I'm blow drying my hair. Like I said, I haven't experienced any heat damage from the blow dryer, but I'm going to reiterate the fact that everyone's hair is different, so do this at your own risk. Okay, the first section is done. As you can see, it looks pretty moisturized from the coconut oil and everything, so I'm going to do the same thing to the next side, just detangling, applying the coconut oil, and then blow drying it. Okay, these are my final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video.